20 years ago, we created Kordz to solve a big problem. Fed up with the service calls and stiff, inflexible cables of yesteryear, professional integrators needed a new generation of high-quality, easy-to-use cabling products that they could feel confident installing into a wall. And so, Kordz was born. Kordz is a company made up of people like you. We're former integrators that understand the challenges you face every day getting a cable from point A to B. And we've made it our life's work to use that experience and our technical know-how to create better products for you, for your customers, and get the best installation outcomes possible. And that's why Kordz uses advanced engineering, manufacturing, and materials to create cables that are flexible, easy to work with, fire-rated, quality-tested, and certified to perform. This attention to detail is what makes Kordz unique. We are highly specialized, just like you. Our products are used in projects that range from mild to wild, residential to commercial. And it's a little known fact that Kordz is used in some of the highest level government agency projects and mission critical situations, like in space. These are things we can't really talk about, but are exceptionally proud to be part of. More importantly, this means you can be assured that when we say, you can count on Kordz for predictable reliability, we absolutely mean it. Over the last 2 decades, we've grown together, shown together, raised a glass, and celebrated together. And as we kick off our 20-year anniversary in 2023, we're honoured and humbled that Kordz is now a multi-award winning brand trusted in over 40 countries. That is in great part due to the role that you play and the exceptional work that you do. You are passionate about what you do, and we are passionate about delivering the tools and the support you need to get in, do great work, get out, and get on to the next project. Without you, Kordz wouldn't be the company it is today. For this, we thank you sincerely, and for supporting Kordz and our vision of creating a connected world that works. We know that not everyone is wired this way. As we like to say, it takes one to know one.